welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about a few things that we're doing before Christmas break that help keep my students engaged and excited about the things that we're doing in food science and still willing to learn and kind of interact with us. So we are actually learning about cinnamon and some of the differences in the Christmas facts and Christmas tree farms and stuff like that. And we are making cinnamon ornaments, and these are not edible. You cannot eat them, but they are super fun. They're super easy. They're low cost. And sometimes when you have a large class, that's one of the factors that you need to consider spreading out the cost over your projects. So I like to throw in projects like this that are lower cost, so that we have the ability to do projects that are also larger cost. So for example, in the spring, we're gonna make jelly. And this project here allows us to save a little bit of money, but still do a hands-on activity in our food science lab. So they're going to start their lab and their pre-lab. They're going to learn a little bit about different Christmas facts, Christmas tree farms, throw in some of that agriculture content, and then we're actually going to make our Christmas ornaments. The things that you need for this lab is I just use the Great Value cinnamon, then you need applesauce, and you need glue. Glue is important. You have to have the glue to be able to stabilize the lab, but it's what holds it together. So you're going to combine, I have a recipe in my lab. You're gonna combine all the ingredients and it makes a ball of dough, essentially. And then I have cookie cutters and they're going to actually cut out their ornaments. An important thing to think about when you're doing this is how thick the actual ornament is. You have to let them dry. So you're gonna flip them. That's one of the things that the recipe talks about. And also making sure you put this nice little hole right here in it. If you do not put that hole in it, it is impossible to be able to string a string through it. And then you're gonna have to like hot glue or super glue the string on the back to actually make the ornament. So the important things to remember is to put that hole in the ornament before you start the drying process. And we just use a toothpick to do that. So it's simple, easy. It's a nice lab that we can do before Christmas break. It's inexpensive. It takes us about a week. So we do our pre-lab, our lab, which is our ornament making, and then our post-lab, and it has where they can also create and draw their own Christmas tree farm and research different things in the industry. So it's a neat way to incorporate all that, but still be able to take home a product. So if you liked this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and come back for more content on what you can do in your own classroom.